Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick little review for some handlebars I picked up off Amazon. This is a kit that was really inexpensive, $50. It came with the handlebars, came with universal mounts, came with some grips, and also with a pad. So there wasn't a brand on the Amazon in the Amazon description, so these things say Pro Caken or Pro Caken, and I guess I'm gonna say Pro Caken because it sounds more delicious to me. So Pro Caken handlebars, it's 1 1/8. Tapers down to 7/8 of an inch on the ends. I think these are pretty nice for $50, and the universal mounts look nice. It's got a 12mm bolt. This thing is the one thing that I would replace. These are way too long, at least for this application. This Ninja 300 is what I'm going to put these on. So I went out and bought some 40mm long M12 coarse thread bolts with some washers and lock washers to stick on here. The grips have little pointy things on them. Seem like nice grips. I'll probably put some black ones on this thing, because I think that'll work better. The pad actually says Pro Taper, and Pro Taper is different than Pro Caken. So find it interesting that we've got a Pro Taper pad and these handlebars. But first thing I wanted to do when I got these was compare them to the Pro Taper catalog and see if they matched anything. So I did all the same measurements that you'll see in the catalog, like width and rise and all the different things. Best I can tell is these are more or less the same as Pro Taper Evo, the Adventure model. All the measurements match up to the Adventure model. The Amazon description says that these are 7005 T6 aluminum, which matches up with the Evo series from Pro Taper. It's got the same thickness of 4mm that it says the Evo series has. And I weighed these things and they weigh 665 grams, which also matches up with the Pro Taper Evo description. So I think these are Pro Taper Evo Adventure model with some red graphics. So I'm gonna put these things on the Ninja 300, see how it goes. Seems like a great deal for all this stuff. If you were to buy everything Pro Taper, the bars are gonna cost $90, the mounts cost $35, grips $15, and this little pad run you about $20. So $160 for everything Pro Taper, where you can get this kit for $50. Seems like a great deal. Definitely excited to get this put on. The handlebars on this thing are bent, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. If you found this video interesting, give it a like. If you want to see more stuff like this from me, see me install these on this thing and do some other stuff motorcycle related, please consider subscribing. My name's Ryan, and I'll see you next time.